Hi, my name is Katie and I started with AFM about 8 months ago, and since then I've been able to reverse my Crohn's and get off of Humira, which is a biologic drug that I was told I'd have to be on my whole life. Through the ability to eat better, get better quality sleep, have decreased stress in my life, I've experienced new life again in the last more than I have in the last 10 years. I'm so grateful for everything that they've been able to do for me. I feel like my gut is back in order. I used to have really bad acne, struggle with eczema, bloating, just kind of a bunch of symptoms that were caused either by the autoimmune disease itself or by the symptoms from the medication I was given. I really didn't think it was possible to be off of it and to feel like I was thriving, but just due to their ability to walk alongside me and get to the root cause of things, I feel like I was really carried through a neat scientific process that gave me the confidence to be able to go off my medicine. I've been off of medicine for 6 months now, amazingly, and just feeling better than ever. So thank you so much to the team here at AFM.